Identification of the fruit is the first process to be carried out in the warehouse in order to guarantee total product traceability. Occasionally, fruit is washed in the drencher to clean it and to apply fungicide treatment before it enters the installations, thus eliminating field residues. The fruit awaiting processing is stored in the cold rooms. The cold rooms are controlled by computer systems which permit the separate monitoring of humidity, temperature, and carbon dioxide levels, thereby generating reports on overall processes. The full-layer depalletizer is designed to destack layers of boxes from the pallet and place them on the chain table, dosifying the boxes 2 by 2. The depalletizer clamp is equipped with 4 rubber-padded arms to adjust to the small differences in size between different box types. Following this, the fruit is unloaded with the automatic rotating dumper. The operations are carried out in a secure, careful manner, providing a continuous flow of fruit. The evacuation of empty boxes is carried out by a conveyor coupled with the 90-degree transfer and are grouped in the baling machine where the box rotator positions the boxes which are to be stacked. The stacking is performed in the slanted section, with the railings and the upper aligner guiding the boxes. The grouped boxes are placed on the table and are picked up by the palletizer clamp which stacks them onto a pallet. The functions of the palletizer are controlled by 2 speed variators for the smooth operation of the machine. The remaining pallets of fruit boxes are distributed automatically, with an aim to either palletize empty boxes or stack them and store them. The unloading of the fruit is carried out carefully toward the sorting roller table to separate the fruit according to quality. It is then distributed to various locations within the installation. The sorting tables can be either single or multiple. The speed of the brushes on the fruit washing machine is adjustable. The programmable pneumatic strainer with variable tension eliminates the water absorbed by the latex rings as the fruit passes. The machine is also equipped with a computerized detergent and fungicide dispenser and a motorized fruit extractor to regulate the time the fruit remains in the machine. Following the washing, the pre-drying tunnel dries the fruit with an optimal use of energy. The digital thermostat maintains a constant temperature inside the machine. The application of wax by micronization fully covers the surface of citrus fruit and allows for an excellent and long-lasting shine and conservation of the fruit. FOMESA also manufactures vertical drying tunnels which take up less space than a conventional drying tunnel, being only 2 meters in length. The spinning rollers of the sorting table rotate the fruit, so that the operators standing on platforms located along the sides of the machine may view it in its entirety and separate it manually according to quality. The inferior quality fruit is deposited directly onto a conveyor belt or through a chute if the conveyor is installed below the machine. The fruit is sent to different sections of the installation once it has been sorted. The singulator is designed to receive the fruit in bulk and distribute it one by one to the sizer. The Polyfruit electronic sizer sorts fruit by weight, diameter, volume, and color. It can incorporate blemish sorting as an option. The feeding is done by Diablo-shaped supports to optimize the alignment of fruit for adequate reading in the sizing process. cameras perform multiple readings as the fruit spins, after which a computer sorts the fruit automatically. The Diablo-shaped supports then go through the weighing zone, where the loading cells are located and the corresponding weighing is performed. The readings are then sent to the computer, which synchronizes the passage of fruit with its unloading in the corresponding outlet. The sizer guides the different fruit sizes to the selection tables, where the product is reviewed once more before the conveyor belts send it to the selected packing. The volumetric filling of boxes in bulk is a system used essentially in pre-sizing lines or to pack fruit and vegetables to be sold directly in bulk. The machine performs the filling progressively and uniformly by moving the boxes as they are being filled. The frontal packing tables are used to fill the boxes manually with the fruit coming from the sizer. Each side of the table can admit 1, 2, or 3 different sizes. The packing table is equipped with 2 feeding conveyors, automatic distribution carts, and packing trays. It also incorporates 2 lower conveyors to evacuate full boxes. The carts make alternative forward and backward movements and unload the fruit onto the packing trays, which are covered in foam to prevent the fruit from being damaged. An overhead conveyor supplies empty boxes to the packing table. Selection chutes can optionally be installed for discarded fruit. In this case, 1 or 2 conveyors are installed to transport the discarded products. The overhead conveyor is a distribution system to transport empty boxes and other packing accessories between the storage area and the packing section. The structure of the conveyor consists of a monorail made with inverted T-tracks. The Nets packing conveyor is designed to facilitate the positioning of these in the boxes. It is equipped with a lower conveyor for the evacuation of full boxes. The sizer also sends fruit to the FOMESA pattern packer, which places the fruit in boxes according to a pre-established pattern. The machine features a double feeding system and motion optimization for high-speed performance. A chain conveyor is installed longitudinally in the lower part of the machine to feed empty boxes and evacuate full ones. The fruit enters through a hopper located in the central section, over the chain conveyor, and is placed in the boxes by means of a set of suction pads. The machine works fast and automatically and is controlled by photocells which detect the position of the boxes, fruit, etc. The machine can be used for different types of fruit, box sizes, and packaging patterns. The supply and transport of boxes is carried out by means of chain conveyors circulating on guides made of wear-resistant plastic. The chain is replaced by a hinge conveyor when a change of direction is required. This special hinge conveyor can be adapted to 90-degree or 45-degree curves or used in straight sections. In accordance with the requirements of each installation, motorized roller conveyors, collectors with transfer and belt conveyors, among other equipment, can also be manufactured. The multi-format palletizer is a machine designed to palletize boxes by layers according to the size and the type of configuration. The output depends on factors such as the palletizing pattern, the location of the box entrance, and the full pallet's evacuation.